Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah, we'll learn about a really famous surah that every Muslim already memorized, alhamdulillah. And the name of the surah is Surah Al-Ikhlas. So now practice with me, inshallah, and we'll try to read it word by word with Tajweed, inshallah. Surah Al-Ikhlas Makkiyah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل Qaf is heavy. قل هو الله. Lam of Allah is also heavy because there is a zabar before it. هو الله أحد. It's a sharp letter. Ha. So you have to make this sound, and the sound of the letter dal will bounce back. أحد. Allahu Samad. Sod is also heavy, and the Lam of Allah is also heavy here. Lam Yalid. Yalid. Sound of the letter Dal will bounce back. Walam. Walam Yulad. We'll strike the Ya here because of a Waw Madda. Walam Yakullahu. Skip the noon because noon is sakin and the next letter is mushaddad. So we'll skip this noon because it's a sakin letter. Yakullahu kufuwan kufuwan. Good. Ahad. Just like this one. Make sure the letter ha will pronounce good and the sound of the letter dal will bounce back. Ahad. Alright, so this is Surah Al-Ikhlas and make sure to practice, follow for more, catch you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.